Good afternoon, students. Today I explain about amido-imidol tautomerism. So this tautomerism exists in amide. So amide such as benzamide and urea exist in two isomeric forms. So both compound, that is benzamide and urea, contain CONH2 group. So this undergoes tautomerism. So in this tautomerism, so what is migrating group? So proton is migrated. So proton is migrate from NH2 group to the carbonyl oxygen. So this is the tautomerism. So what is the amide group? CONH2. So which is amido form, which is equilibrium with the imidol form. So here NH bond shifted in between carbon nitrogen to make a carbon nitrogen double bond. At the same time, carbon oxygen bond shift towards oxygen atom, so it gets negative charge. So the removal of proton migrate to oxygen atom, it converts to OH. So you get COH double bond NH, that is imidol form. So example, benzamide. So C6H5 CONH2. This is benzamide, which is amido form, which converts to imidol form by tautomerism. Like that, urea also involves in amido-imidol tautomerism. So the structure of urea is NH2CO NH2. This amido form is changes to imidol form by proton transfer. So next, reactions. So both the form involves in some reactions. So first, the reactions due to amido form. So benzamide reacts with the ethyl iodide. In this reaction, so one of the hydrogen of NH2 group is replaced by ethyl group to get N-ethyl benzamide. So hydrogen iodide is removed. The second is reactions due to imidol form, that is enol form. So the enol form of benzamide reacts with the ethyl iodide in the presence of silver oxide to form O-ethyl benzamide. Here hydrogen of OH is replaced by ethyl group to get O-ethyl benzamide. So this type of tautomerism, that is amido-imidol tautomerism, also exhibit in internal amides. So what is internal amides? Lactam. So lactam is a internal amides. So this type of tautomerism exhibited in internal amides is called lactam-lactene tautomerism. So in lactam, NH-CO bond is there, which is involved in tautomerism. The CO group is converts to COH. So for example, Azetine contain lactam form, that is cyclic amide, so which converts to lactine form. So one more example, saccharin also contain lactam ring, which is involves in tautomerism, so it is converts to lactine form. So next tautomerism is nitro-acinitro tautomerism. This tautomerism exists in nitroalkane, that is RNO2, so which is neutral compound. But primary and secondary nitroalkane reacts with a strong aqueous alkali forming salt. So if forming salt with alkali means it behaves as acid. So nitroalkanes behaves as acids in the presence of strong alkali. So this reaction suggested that nitroalkanes are capable of existing in two forms. One is nitro, another one is acidic acinitro form. So this type of tautomerism exists in nitroalkane is called nitro-acinitro tautomerism. So what is nitroalkane? Or CH2NO2. So in this nitro form, so hydrogen is migrated, in H plus is migrated, that is proton is migrated here. So the carbon hydrogen bond is shifted between carbon nitrogen, and as usual, so nitrogen oxygen bonds shifted towards the oxygen atom. So this proton is added to this oxygen. So N double bond O is converts to NOH. So nitro form converts to acinitro form. So for example, phenyl nitromethane, which is nitro form, after the proton migration, which converts to acinitro form. So the reactions due to nitro form. So you take nitroalkane, undergoes reduction, NO2 group is converts to NH2, that is nitro converts to amine. This is the reaction of nitro form. So reaction due to acinitro form. So the enol form of nitroalkane reacts with the bromine to form dibromo derivative. Okay. So next mechanism. So how nitro form is converts to acinitro form. So first you take nitro form RCH2NO2 in the presence of base. What is the role of base? It easily abstract the proton atom. So it abstracts the proton from nitroalkane. It is converts to carbanion. Then it reacts with the acid. So the negative charge of CH is shifted in between carbon nitrogen to make a carbon nitrogen double bond, and N double bond O, the one of the bond is shifted towards oxygen atom, so that oxygen gets negative charge. So acid donate the proton, or otherwise in nitro form the proton is removed, that proton is added to this oxygen, acinitro form is formed. So this is a reversible reaction. So acinitro form is easily converts to nitro form. Thank you.